Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Code Heroes. So today in this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a image slider or an carousel in React.js project. So first of all, we have to install the package hover-carousel. I will give the command in the description. Now hit enter. While the package is getting downloaded, make sure to like, share, comment the video and subscribe to the channel. Now once the package is installed, we need to import it. So import our carousel from the package name. Okay. Once that is done, we need three images for the carousel. Depends on how many images you want. So I have pasted the images in the asset folder. Okay. So let me import them also. So import image one from and then the location and then the image name along with the extension. Now I will import all three of the images. Once that is done, we can create a constant variable and then we can have the set of images. I have written each images 2 times. I will explain you later why I have done that. And now in the return part, just create a new div tag and in that create a tag called hover carousel. So this name should match with this tag name and then pass images into the images. This name should be same as of this. Let's just close it and now let's just run the project. Now this command will be different if you have created the React project normally. I have created this project using white. If you want to know how to create project using white, then comment down below and I will make a video on it. What happens is that if you use white, all the package installation and running become more faster. So this is our URL and let me paste the URL in the browser. Our carousel is complete. Now see, if I would have only pasted the three images, then it was not possible for me to show you how this would work. So I pasted it 2 times so that I can scroll like this. You can add multiple images in the order you want and it will work. Now wherever I drag my mouse cursor, this slider will move accordingly. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, share, comment on this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.